Hi guys, this is my first time to making these. I never made cookies, okay? Never in my life. So it's this cookies, but it's oatmeal chocolate chip cookie mix. So bake 375. I was asking my husband before I started this, which one should I do? So it said you would need bow and one egg, okay? And of course you need like also pan to cook the cookies. Okay. So says too much. That's what bow. It doesn't have a cup of bow. That's what it said. Okay. And then I need one egg. Okay. And then I mix this and okay. And then I'm gonna add some more wall. Like I was supposed to when I was going. There we go. These one. I may also make a cake also. I'm just trying to get these mixed okay. I'm spraying them apart from each one. Okay. they're not my best, but and then look like I need to, like, I could do something that one got a little extra. So I'm gonna do some on this other pan, the smaller pan. Okay. So I'm gonna cook both of these at the same time. They take about 12 minutes. So I guess I'll see you guys later. Bye. Oh, I will show you guys when I get it. Okay, bye. Hi guys. So it's not my best. Some of them are a little big, and some of them are connected. Okay. So it's still cookies in my opinion. So that's what it look like. So still cookies in my opinion. I'm just letting them cool down. Then I'm going to get them apart and put it in container, because I tried to get this question, okay, about having some for a snack for my husband and I. That's what I tried to do. Okay, so like the we're warm still, so I'm just waiting to cool down, and then I go from there. Okay. Otherwise, see you guys soon. Bye.